give directions in English, you need to use prepositions to describe where something is. We can also use some of these words we use for directions to mean very different things as well. Today's video looks at the preposition between. Imagine you're lost in a new city and someone tells you that what you're looking for is located between two things. For example, you ask someone how to get to the post office and they tell you that it's located between the bakery and the coffee shop. This means that you'll find the post office on the left of the bakery and on the right of the coffee shop, in the area separating the two places. Some of you might have heard the phrase, "keep it between us." This phrase uses the word between to refer to private information. If someone asks you to keep a secret between you and them, that person doesn't want you to tell anyone, and only the two of you will know the information. Don't tell anyone you saw me. Keep this between us.